हेलो दोस्तों, ये मेरा दोस्त आ चुका है। ये मेरा दोस्त है, ये मेरा दोस्त आ रहा है। डिलीवर गाइस, हाउ आर यू माय फ्रेंड? अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम सलाम।
कैफ हाल या हबीब?
ज़ैन।
तैयब
तमाम।
हाउ आर यू?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह फाइन।
ये मेरा दोस्त है, जुमा मुबारक। बहुत अच्छा बंदा है।
What I do?
Making vlog on YouTube
Why you make it?
because you are making YouTube.
You're crazy man.
I see you. You are using TikTok.
Where are you? Where are you yesterday?
I'm here. No. Yesterday my off.
Why not tell me?
I
am
tell
here
I tell
yesterday.
Bakari.
I am here with this Brownie looking for you. Where this crazy man from
No,
Pakistan?
my off. Yesterday my off. Today I'm here. Not getting no order.
Wow. You get this. In 5 minutes they give me order. After giving order, they close. I went to the mall, I prayed, I came back. You know what? And then I said, let me come here. I see my friend. Same.
ये मेरा दोस्त है. He's a good, very good. Crazy and also crazy.
You're a good man, Papa.
You are beautiful. Alhamdulillah. Say Alhamdulillah.
I want to watch, bro.
Yeah.
This is a girlfriend buy for him.
Blended watch.
This Pakistan, maybe Filipino buy for him.
Filipino? No. We have no girlfriend.
Oh, I think he has girlfriend.
You have girlfriend? No girlfriend.
What, this guy?
You have girlfriend. You are harami.
What about this man?
This man is
No girlfriend also?
No, he's angry man.
Only order.
Only Dubai, only order. Kalas. After order, then you go sleep.
Yeah.
They change or no?
No.
They don't change?
Schedule? They don't change.
What?
Going there, maybe they said you not.
Yes.
You need not.
Which not?
You want North Zone?
You know North Zone?
They change the zone?
Yeah.
No schedule?
Don't go there.
You already going there or no?
Which not?
North Zone.
Not on which side?
Albarka, Mardab.
No. That's called North Zone?
No, there is no good.
Not good place, huh?
No.
Jumeirah is good?
Too much problem there. Very long order.
This zone is good. We relax.
If you afford
Order,
petrol
everything is there.
in Pulsar, so you go there.
And also you are my friend with me.
You need to buy a petrol pump for going there.
Pathan. Hey, say Pathan. Hi Pathan, how are you? Is Pathan.
Which lens do you use to take video?
That's
MashaAllah. Yeah. What about you, bhai? What's your name?
Muhammad.
Alhamdulillah. Mera bhai, kaise?
Asif Sajad. I'm good. How are you?
Alhamdulillah.
Okay. How are you, my friend?
Alhamdulillah.
How's going your day?
Everything is good.
Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak too. Welcome to Dubai. Come and enjoy. This
Enjoy
is.
this.
Mwah.
Aywa. You love this.
Of course.
Okay.